Hey, Adja, how are you doing? Working on a project?
Hi, Jason. Yes, I'm looking for information about organizing management meetings. Oh, not an easy assignment. Who's your friend, Jason?
This is Mel. I was planning to introduce her to you. Mel's the president of the student council. Mel, this is Adja Badu. She's in my class.
Hi, Mel. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too, Adja. Jason told me about you, and I want to ask you a question.
Of course. Let's move to a table in the corner so we won't disturb the other students.
Right, well, Adja, as Jason told you, I'm on the student council. I was elected president last month. The council also has a vice president and a treasurer, but we're still looking for a secretary. And, well, as you're doing the secretarial course, Jason and I thought you might be interested.
Oh, I am really flattered to be asked. But I would like to know what would be expected of me and what the council does exactly.
As the secretary, you would prepare the documents for the meeting. We would draw up the agenda together, and you would email all the documents to the council members.
Okay.
You would also take minutes during the council meetings and write a report of every meeting.
I think I would like that. How much time would I have to put in?
We meet once a month. If there are special campaigns or activities, that could be more often. I think it will take you 1 or 2 days a month, 3 at the most.
Sounds interesting. And it's a good opportunity to meet more people and be active for the school.
It certainly is. Jason, can you tell Adja more about the activities and responsibilities of the council?
Of course. One of the things we do is organise the introduction week for new students every year. That is a lot of fun, but also a lot of work.
Okay.
We also improve the relationships between students and teachers, and we promote change and innovation in our school. We meet with the school management team several times a year to discuss this, and the council has 10 student representatives.
What do you think, Adja? Would you like to join us? Of course, we will have to introduce you to the other council members and ask them to accept you as our secretary. But first, we'd like to know how you feel about it.
Well, I am seriously interested, and I would like to come to your next meeting so I can see for myself what it would be like. Do you think that's all right?
Absolutely. We meet next Wednesday at 8 p.m. here in the library. Is that convenient?
Yes, it is. I am looking forward to it.
So are we.
Okay.
See you next Wednesday. I'll inform the others before the meeting. Thanks, Adja. I really appreciate this.
Oh, thanks for asking me. See you, Mel. Bye, Jason. See you in class.
See you.